What's up YouTube, Glorious Doba here with another shoe unboxing and on-feet review. Today I'll be doing it on the SoleFly Air Jordan 3 Retro SP, Fruits of Our Labor. Alright guys, a little FYI for you. SoleFly is actually a boutique in South Florida, founded by Carlos Prieto. He's the brother-in-law to Michael Jordan. And so here you guys go. Let me get the box. This is the top of the shoe box in a glossy finish with the wavy lines, and then the bright mandarin orange color to the rest of the box. Sorry for the reflection, guys. And then it's a glossy Jumpman logo and a darker orange with a bright mandarin orange on the background with the outlined in gorge green on the oval, and then SoleFly logo in gorge green with white shadowing, and then Miami in white lettering. So that's the top of the box. Your glossy orange lines, and in the background is the matte finish. All right. So this is the left side of the box. South Florida or SoleFly logo with a South Florida logo on it, or outline in gorge green. And then on the other side you have your Nike Air in white logo right there with the glossy green or mandarin orange wavy lines. And on the back of it too, it's also the mandarin orange matte finish. So that's the left side of the shoebox. The back of the shoebox is plain with your glossy wavy orange lines. Now, the left side of the shoebox, or should I say the right side? SoleFly logo or South Florida and gorge green, Nike Air and white. And then there's your shoe sticker, 8.5, my size and men's sizing. And the actual colorway is Sail in gorge green. And the official name of this is Air Jordan 3 Retro SP. Or Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP. So you guys can see there. All right. Okay, so let me open up the box. Oh, this is a good quality box. It's kind of like the Travis Scott boxes where it's like a hard shell kind of harder material than your regular flimsy Nike boxes. So on the get-go, when on top of the inside of the box, it's kind of like a glossy finish in mandarin orange, and then you have that ABC sticker right there, and then the dimensions. So that's pretty cool. Put this aside, and when you first initially see the box, inside of it, you have your Jumpman logo with a SoleFly logo in Miami on it. And the background is gorge green all over. So the tissue paper is pretty cool. And when you open it up, you have your dust bag here. It's pretty cool. Since it's like Florida, you know, oranges, it's like those sacks, like when they have oranges on it, you know, when they sell it. So this is pretty cool. Your Jumpman logo, SoleFly logo on the front there, in Miami in orange. And then you have your orange drawstring. So this is a pretty cool dust bag, like a mesh sail colorway. Back is just plain, so it's pretty cool. Let's put this aside. And it's individually wrapped. So the last shoe unboxing I did, I think it was on the Air Jordan 6s. They were also individually wrapped, so that was pretty cool. But I guess there should be a meaning to this, why they individually wrapped this. So let's check it out. The regular tissue paper. Put this aside. All right, so this is the lateral side of the shoe. You have your hits of gorge green there on the eyelets on the top, white on the middle part, and then on the bottom near the toe box, you have your orange eyelets. It's pretty cool. And then tumbled leather. I think it's in a kind of a cream colorway. It's not really white, so it's in a cream colorway. And so you have your SoleFly logo embossed there on the heel in a suede material. Not like when you know that suede where you kind of go back and forth when it changes different shades. So this is, but it's still good quality. So you have your SoleFly logo embossed there in a bright mandarin orange suede material. On the heel, you have your gorge green midsole right there. And then the rest of the midsole is in the sail colorway with your signature air bubble on the Air Jordan 3s exposed. There you guys go. And it comes with white shoelaces. And I guess I know why they put it individually wrapped, because it has this tag on it, reminiscent of the diffused blue for the Alma Manier 3s. It says, due to the suede characteristic, please be aware there is potential color contamination to the upper and bottom unit. That's why they individually wrap this. So this is pretty cool. And then it comes with 2 laces in the little mini Ziploc bags, and the bright mandarin orange, and then your gorge green shoelace. And it comes already in the white shoelaces right there. So this is the medial side of the shoe. Same thing, your gorge green eyelets on the top. Middle is white. Orange hits eyelets right there. Tumbled leather in a cream colorway with your bright mandarin orange suede material. Gorge green midsole on the heel, and then the rest of the way it's a sail colorway. And then you have, of course, the front of the shoe. The toe box or the mud guard is in the suede material in gorge green. Same as the heel, same material, suede. And on the back, of course, you have your signature pull tab for the Nike Air Jordan 3s. Nike Air in gorge green and a cream colorway for the pull tab. And then that's where you see the suede bright mandarin orange. The heel, the midsole is gorge green, and then sail colorway. There, that's the back of the shoe. Bottom of the shoe, of course, your signature Air Jordan 3 outsole with hits of gorge green right there on the toe. Nike in gorge green, and then the cream colorway. Bright mandarin orange, that's pretty cool. And so on the tongue, it's perforated on the bottom right there. You guys can see it perforated. And then on the tongue itself is the Jumpman in gorge green embroidered. Good quality, good stitching. Good feeling. Tumbled leather, soft to the touch. And then inside of the tongue, you have your orange lining. And it says, sorry guys, Sunshine State. With a white sock liner. And then I can pull it out. The insole. Sorry guys. There you guys go. So you have that stitching inside. And then you have your Dream Cell insole. That's the bottom of it. And then you have that material there. Soft to the touch. Men's 8.5 sticker with a SoleFly or South Florida logo in gorge green outlined. So that's the right shoe. And then let me take out the left shoe. So, as they usually wrap again, this is the medial side of the left shoe. You have your tumbled cream leather here, soft to the touch. Your suede mandarin orange on the heel, and then gorge green on the heel, on the midsole, and then the rest of the way a cream or sail colorway. Gorge green on the toe box or mudguard, and suede. Green eyelets on the top, middle, white eyelets, and then orange eyelets on the bottom. Pretty good quality. Same thing on the back of the left shoe. You have your pull tab here in cream, and then the Nike Air in gorge green with the bright mandarin orange suede. Your gorge green midsole, and then the rest, the cream colored midsole on the bottom. The bottom of the shoe, same thing, your typical Air Jordan 3 outsole. Gorge green, mandarin orange, gorge green, white or cream. So this is a pretty good quality shoe. And if you guys notice, it's a orange hang tag. It says Nike Air. And then you have the SoleFly logo in gorge green on top of it, which is a pretty cool design. Nice, very nice. And so let me take out the insole for this shoe, the left shoe. All right, same material, soft to the touch, men's 8.5 sticker. Your Jumpman logo in gorge green, SoleFly. And then Dream Cell on the bottom is black. So compare it. So left and right. So you have your, on the left shoe, right there, your gorge green Jumpman logo and SoleFly logo. And then the other side, SoleFly logo or South Florida outlined in gorge green. So this is just a pretty amazing shoe. Like, SoleFly is actually, you know, good in making all these bold colorways, color palettes. So again, this is the Air Jordan SoleFly Retro SP, fruits of our labor. The front of the shoe. Medial side. Oh, sorry, lateral side. Medial side of the left shoe. Lateral side of the right shoe with that tag right there. Medial side of the right shoe. Bottom of both shoes. On the back, same thing. So yeah, this is a pretty good colorway. I'm gonna rock it, but I don't know what to wear with it. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and just wait for the on feet review. Thanks. All right, guys, this is the on-feet part of the video, on-feet review. My initial thoughts when I first put it on, I didn't even have to loosen the shoelaces a lot, just a little bit. And when I put it on, it was like so comfortable. It's still comfortable now. So it comes with the white shoelaces on the shoe, flat shoelaces, white flat shoelaces. So this is the front of the shoe with your gorge green suede on the toe box right there. I'm wearing black sweats right now just for contrast. This is a bold looking shoe, a bold colorway. So this is the front. Lateral side of the left shoe, as you guys can see there. Medial side of the left shoe. Lateral side of the right shoe. Medial side of the right shoe, right there. The back, both shoes. There. Top of the shoe right there, left, right. Again, lateral side of the left shoe, lateral side of the right shoe, medial side of the left shoe, medial side of the right shoe, the back of both shoes there, pretty good. Of course, the bottom, left shoe, right shoe. And like I said, when I first put these on, they're really comfortable. I didn't even have to loosen it a lot, so I just loosened it a little bit and it's pretty comfortable. As comfortable as the diffused blue 3s for the Amamanye, but these are way more comfortable. I mean, like, SoleFly does it top notch in their quality and materials, craftsmanship. Oh my God, these are really cool. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching on feet and review of this part of this video and unboxing. And please subscribe, like, and comment, and God bless. Thank you, guys.